And welcome back to the channel, guys and gals. We are working on the 2018 Jeep Compass today. We are doing the front brake pads and rotors. I'm just going to start you guys off with what I do. Wheel, jack it up, wheels off. You're going to see me using a technique that I use with the flathead to pry the piston back on the caliper. That's my way of doing it. Everybody else is different. Anyway, let's get to it. Enjoy the video. Let's get it. Okay, I have laid out the brake pads and rotors. I'm going to just go over real quick what I do to verify left and right side. So those metal tabs that I'm pointing at, that's actually the brake wear indicator. That's to where when your brake pads starts getting real low, those metal tabs start rubbing the rotor. And that's what makes the ee sound. That way you don't damage your rotors. Then I'm verifying if it fits, all the tabs line up. As you can tell, they weren't all that low, but the customer requested to replace them. They brought their own parts, so we don't turn down any money. Look at your part numbers. Make sure all the part numbers are the same, which in this case, this is. So that lets me know they're all the same except for those metal tabs. You're going to want to put that metal tab on the same. So just match it with the old one, in other words. See, the other side goes, that pad I'm pointing at goes to the other side. Okay, rotor diameter time. Put your old rotor down, lay it upside down, put your new rotor on top of it. And what we're doing is we're measuring the diameter or circumference of the rotor. We want to make sure that it is from top to bottom, left to right, thickness and everything. It's all identical. It has to be identical. And in this case, these are matching up perfect. Customer did the right thing. They ordered the right parts. All right, let's get it. Reinstall the brake pad again. And give yourself a round of applause. We made it to the end of the video. All right. Right here where I'm pointing at, this is just a little quick trick and tip. Use your little pointer index finger. You see that? You're trying to put the caliper on. You're going to be like, why is it not going on? You just got to slide that pin in. Bang. Slide it in. And then the caliper will slide over it. Then you can put your little 14mm bolt. Alrighty, I appreciate you guys very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm your boy AD. We're going to get some more videos out here to y'all. I appreciate y'all. Peace. I'm out.